Greetings, viewers. Thanks for joining me outside for a minute with the 3rd gen. I'm glad that it's outside. That means the frame repairs are done and the passenger side is all tied in. The little boat sidey thing is done. I got my slider on. As you can see, it's pretty muddy. I have some nice trails here on my property, and even though it's been rainy and muddy and nothing was painted, I couldn't wait to take it out and see what everybody else has probably been wanting to see too. Is it going to break, rip, and tear apart? Well, no, nothing broke, ripped, or tore apart. I'm sorry I didn't take my phone out there with me to get some pictures, but I will. It's getting late. It's about ready to rain again. I'll get some flexi pictures of it. But a first initial test, I had it out hanging tire. I did it both ways, front and back, and left and right. Nothing broke, nothing creaked weird, nothing cracked or popped weird. I used my winch. I intentionally winched the truck up without any engine power up a hill to test my bumper. And then I got stuck and had to use it, and the stuck was really bad over a tree that I was trying to get over it anyway. The winch pulled hard and everything is fine with that bumper. I did back into a tree and bust a tail light out, but I have tail lights aplenty, and yeah, I've already replaced that. So super happy with how it's turned out. Couldn't wait to paint it. I had to get out and test it. It was super muddy, but I couldn't wait. Still got much to do. Still got the lower control arm supports in the back to do, the skids, the bottom of the frame covers. Yeah, I'll go over the whole truck more in depth as I get more stuff done, but super excited. Sorry I forgot to take my camera out and get pictures, but it performed great. I was out there for about a half an hour, 45 minutes, just going back and forth over things that twisted it up as hard as I could here. And yeah, everything was fine. So first initial test, woohoo! Everything worked. I couldn't be happier. I'm going to clean it up, get it painted, drive it around a little bit, I think, while I work on the other parts, because now at least I can drive it around, but that is not what's important right now. I just wanted to touch base with you. I'll get it out and twist it up and get some pictures. I appreciate you coming and checking it out. Like, subscribe, check the links if you feel like doing that. I'd appreciate it. Most of all, I appreciate you. And have a super great day.